Hello, this is Paul Beyer with Precision Crop Management. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add a water event through the PCM mobile app. Once you've downloaded the PCM app, we're going to go ahead and select it, and you're going to have a login page pop up. You're going to enter your same email and password that you do on our Precision Crop Management platform on the web browser. And once you have entered those in, we can hit login, and it'll bring you to your farm page. From here we can zoom in so that we can see the fields in which we are wanting to add this water event to. There's two different ways to select a field. You can either click on the circles that you're seeing highlighted, or you can look at the top right hand corner, and next to the power symbol there's some bars, and you can select those bars, and when you do this it pops up with a list of all of the different fields that are in your farm. Under each one of those fields you'll see that there's a percentage and a water amount to the right. So the percentage on the right is your plant available water for that field, and your the amount of water underneath that is your irrigation required to reach your ideal target. We're going to go ahead and select a field here that we would like to enter this water event in. This is just your basic overall field summary page. It has, all the water and nitrogen applied, along with, your acres, your crop and its hybrid, and then it also has your planting date and then a speculated harvest date too. So from here we're going to select the three green dots up in the top right hand corner, and you're going to be asked, whether you want to have a water event, a fertilizer event, or a meter reading. In today's video we're going to be doing the water event. So once we select that, we will have this page show up on our screen. We are going to add a water event for March 10th, and we'll say that it was a rainfall, and in our rain gauge there was 3/10. So once we enter that in, we will have the ability to add another event. We're going to say that there was another rain on March 11th of 2/10. Underneath that you'll see it has your total inches of water that you are adding to this field. Now we have the capability to either add it to other fields or just to leave it to this one. We are going to select another field, and these same rain events will be added in that field too. Once you've done that, you'll hit save, and you've successfully added a rain event. So now let's go back up, and we're going to select to add another water event, and we are going to enter in an irrigation event. So on March 22nd, we had an irrigation event. So we go select irrigation, and we ran on a ½ inch of water on multiple pivots. Let's say we ran them on, our fields 1, 2, and 3. So we will select all three of those and select save. Now we've successfully added an irrigation event. Here you can see that the water applied is now up to 6.2 inches for this crop season on this specific field. And if you go back to our Manage Fields screen, you'll see that our plant available water is at 100%. And that is how you successfully add a water event in the PCM mobile app.